Hey guys, I'm Joey, the director of JMT Building here on the Gold Coast. We specialise in high-end custom renovation projects, and this is our Sovereign Island job. And we've had to work very closely with Kevin from the Tile Collective and Will from GC Superior Tiling to achieve this beautiful finish that we've done on this property. Will, can you tell me a little bit about working with JMT Building?
Yeah, look, I mean, it was pretty cruisy for me, even though I was the main trade on this job. But yeah, look, I'm really happy with the job. I think it looks amazing, and thanks for all the hours I spent in the Tile Collective, measuring, getting the maths right on all the apron on the tiles in the spa, and it looks really good, and we're really happy with it.
Credit to both of you. I think you've done an absolutely tremendous job creating this fantastic outside space for your customer. From our perspective, obviously, as you referenced, it's trying to get the right product for the right fit, ensuring that you guys have got what you need when you need it. As you rightly said, Will, hours and hours going backwards and forwards, trying to come up with the math. We love math. To create the aprons both around the edge of the pool as well as all the custom spa double-sided aprons. So yeah, huge amount of work that's gone into it, but definitely the right product, right finish, and execution as well.
And I heard that these have a certain type of slip rating on them as well.
Absolutely, mate. So these are a little bit different to a lot of your external tiles. They don't have that full sandpaper-like feel. They give you the texture when you need it, which is, you know, for your outside spaces when it's raining or when it's wet like this around a pool. Absolutely perfect. Give you that slip resistance when it's required, but still going to be nice and easy for your homeowner to clean and maintain as well.
Yep. No, awesome guys. No, you've both done a great job. Honestly, it's can't thank you enough for all the work that you guys have put in. Will especially, that you've just put in so many after hours, late nights, you know, long phone calls trying to get through the design process of this job, and you've executed it perfectly. And Kevin for just spending hours sourcing the product for us and giving us the right product for the job. And look at what's happened. It looks absolutely beautiful. So can't thank you guys enough.
Beautiful. Thanks, mate.
Beautiful.